What's the meaning of cheekiness? Cheekiness. Cheekiness.
Cheekiness. Cheekiness. Cheekiness refers to a type of behavior that is characterized by a lack of respect or disregard for authority, often coupled with a sense of humor or playfulness. This behavior can be seen as impertinent or impudent, and may involve speaking or acting in a way that challenges social norms or expectations. While cheekiness can sometimes be endearing, it can also be perceived as disrespectful or rude, depending on the context and the attitudes of those involved. Ultimately, the perception of cheekiness depends on the individual and the social situation in which it occurs.